Hello, girls. How are you today? I hope you're doing super well. I miss you a lot, a lot, a lot. And today, in the class of Math Tech, we're going to have 3 points in the agenda. The first point is to look at the picture, this picture that we have here, and we're going to answer 3 questions, I think so. Yes, 3 questions. Then we're going to complete a chart about the toys, but the 3D shapes that you can see in the toys. And in the third part, you're going to practice typing in 2 different pages, okay? Why are we going to practice typing in this class? Because next class, we are going to have typing quiz during the video calling, okay? And it's going to be in one of the pages that we are going to practice today, okay? So it's in one of the pages that we are going to practice today. First point, look at the picture and answer. So this is a picture of a what? What do you think? Of a toy, very good. Of a robot could be. What is this toy? Maybe a robot? Maybe a person? What could be the name of the toy? I don't know. Be creative. Do you have a similar toy at home? Maybe not very equal, but if it's a similar robot, or if you have a wood toy, you can say that you have a wood toy. Or maybe you can say that you have a game that you can switch faces. But at least tell me if you have something similar, okay? Then I want you to count how many 3D shapes do you see in here in the toy. So you have to count what are the 3D shapes that you have there. So we can see, do we have spheres? Or do we have triangular base pyramids? Or maybe do we have cubes? But for example, the heart, it's not a 3D shape. It's just a drawing. It's a 2D shape. So take into account to count only the 3D shapes, okay? In the second point, we are going to complete a chart with the names of the 3D shapes and the number of times that you see in the toy. So, for example, square base pyramid or pentahedron. So we are going to see that in the picture we have here a pentahedron or a square base pyramid. And we see it only one time. So I write the number 1. You don't have to complete all the chart. Or maybe if you need more spaces, don't worry. You can click in plus and you can have one more, okay? Or if you're going to do it in the notebook, you can do it also in the note. There is no problem. Now, the third part is the most important part. We're going to practice in 2 platforms. One, you already know, this is Typing Club. So we're going to control and click at the same time. It's going to open to us. We said get started. And we're going to do only the exercises that I propose here. 22, 23, 50, 51, and 47. Okay? So I'm just going to show you that it's locked. So you need to click and then you say continue. And then you can put your fingers, remember not to look. You just look at the screen and you start doing. Oh my God, the teacher doesn't know how to do it. Okay? It's just a matter of practice like the teacher do. So this is the first page. Remember that you're going to have 5 exercises there. And then we are gonna go to a new platform. How are you going to go there? First, you need to go to Google Classroom. I have a student. I'm going to enter like a student. My student is the teacher Marcela Gutierrez. So she is a student of one of my classes and she is subscribed in this class. So I'm gonna show you as a as a student. Look, this is not my email. And in here, you're gonna have the email of your parents. So I'm gonna show you as a student how to enter. First, you need to go to Google Classroom, okay? Then you're gonna click in Math Tech, can be second B, it can be second A. And then you're going to go to classwork. In classwork, you need to look that here I have enter to the classwork with the name Practice Homebrew and Topbrew. So please take into account that in that week you're going to have 2 assignments. One with this paper and another one with this that is only for the second page. In here, you're gonna click and you're gonna find the link of the platform. And it's going to appear this. I also have the instructions in the paper, okay? But I'm going to show you one by one the same instructions I'm going to show you in the video. Then you're going to click in student login. Click in a student login and you're going to log in with Google because you have an account of Alupina, okay? And you need to use only the Alupina account. Log in with Google, you find your email. This is my email. And it's automatic. Maybe you need to write the password. So you ask your mommy or your daddy what is the password and you can enter. And here I have the name, Eddie Marcela, and I have here my practice because it has the date. For second B, I think it's for 29, so it's going to appear 29. And for second A, it's going to be on Thursday. It means that you don't have 29 here, but you have 30, okay? And then you're gonna click in resume. And in the resume, it's going to appear the activity that I assigned to you. It's going to be also 5 exercises. So you're gonna start, remember to put the fingers in the correct letters. Sorry. And then we have F, A, N, flirt. Okay. So this is the other platform. And I'm going to see, for example, in this one, if you do it or not, because I have other classroom where I can see it. I'm going to show you. So when you finish, you just log out and it's going to appear the progress that you're doing here. This is a really good platform. And I'm going to show you how I see your progress. So in here, I'm going to enter as a teacher. And I have here my classes, okay? In my case, in this case, in the example case, I'm going to enter to Math Tech 4B because teacher Marce is in there. Look, Eddie Marcela Gutierrez. And I'm going to see the assignment. That is this one. And I can see the progress of Marcela. For example, he's telling me that Marcela didn't finish the activity. so I can see if you do it or not, or if you need more help or not. So these are the 3 exercises that you're going to do during this class. I hope you enjoy a lot. I know that you like a lot typing and you're going to enjoy it. If you have any question, remember to write to me. But please follow the video to enter to the second platform. Okay? See you then. Bye-bye.